Welcome back. This is how foreigners illegally rule land of Goa and the law and order system is handicapped. Alleged Israeli drug peddler Atala smashed a four-wheeler after it hit a signboard of Bubble Brunch Club at Anjuna. Atala, who was earlier arrested in police drug nexus case, is in Goa and operating a shack in partnership with a Goan. A cop attached to it, Anjuna police, informed Prudent that foreign criminals like Atala are operating in the state as locals provide them shelter and other facilities for personal gains.
Alleged Israeli drug peddler Yaniv Benaim alias Atala, who had once fled to Peru after a YouTube video exposed his links with police and politicians, is right now in Goa, that too with his head held high, operating a shack in partnership with a Goan family. Now, the height of his arrogance. Even after being out on bail, he has committed another crime and on Sunday afternoon smashed a car owned by one Arun Naik. Reason? It dashed against the signboard of a club which Atala is supposedly running. Atala also threatened vehicle owner to raise down his house if he fails to compensate the losses.
पण माझ्याकडे मागची सायडीक गेली ना म्हणत सायडीक गेले पळाक लागली हे मान तो हाताला येलो आणि केड्याक गट कितल्या लोकांनी काढून घेतलो आणि मागीर गेलो आणि रोड हाडलो आणि माझी गाडी फोडली.
The co-owner of Bubble Brunch Club, Pooja Dabolkar, has refuted the claims. She claims that Atala and his friends were guests and not the business partners.
ना हे फॅमिली रेस्टॉरंट आमचे आणि विथ क्लब आम्ही चलयता सध्या आणि फक्त प्रॉब्लेम कितें की तो एज अ गेस्ट येता आणि तेजे फ्रेंड येता.
After registering a case against Atala, Anjuna police formally arrested him, but soon had to release him on bail. A cop attached with Anjuna police informed Prudent that Anjuna police is well aware of the fact that Bubble Brunch Club is run by Atala, but they are helpless to take any legal action. The cop says whenever they inquire about it, on paper, the license holder claims that Atala is just a guest. The cop also says, earlier last year when the Nigerians had gone berserk, everybody blamed police. But actually, locals are the ones who encourage and allow these foreign criminals to operate in Goa. The cop also said that locals provide residents, bikes, cars and other facilities to these foreign criminals for personal gains. And foreign criminals are in nexus with locals that no complaint reaches the police. The disputes with the locals too are compromised. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Shyam Sundar Fatte for Prudent.
Dowry-related cases are on rise in the state, but Goa police seems not acting on the prima facie reports in such dowry-related incidents. Cops say recent judgment of the Supreme Court bars automatic arrest in the dowry cases. People of Aldona are questioning the role of police in yet another suicide case of dowry victim Vidhi Kerkar.
The harassment against women for dowry is on rise in the literate state of Goa. In the list of names of recent dowry victims, one more name has added up from Aldona with unfortunate death of Vidhi Kerkar. She committed suicide on Sunday.
I have received information from PSI Kalangudkar that one Mrs. Nidhi Kerkar found hanging at her residence. They have conducted the scene of occurrence and the body was referred to the morgue. On the next day, I have visited the morgue. I have carried out the inquest panchanama.
Family members of victim Vidhi Kerkar allege that her in-laws were harassing her for dowry, the reason why she committed suicide.
ते म्हाका सद्दां सांगतले की आपणाक घरान सद्दां त्रास जाता आपणाक मेंटली टॉर्चर करता म्हणटाले आनी आपणाक घरा बिरा केन्ना येवंक मेळना म्हणटाले आनी ताका धमकी पासून दिलेली तूं घरा बीन वयशालचे दोके बिके मोडटले आनी हे 2 दिसान तुका कितें तरी दाखयतले म्हणलें तेंच्यांनी खरेंच कितें केलें म्हाका कांय कळना आनी तेंच्यांनी कांय एविडन्स बीन कांय दवरना स्टूल आसलेले स्टूलूय ना जालें दिसलें.
माझो डिमांड कितें म्हाज्या चेडवाक न्याय जावपाचो इतलेंच. म्हाज्या चेडवान कांयच करिनासतना म्हाज्या चेडवाक कित्याक मारून उडयलें. तांकां जर कितें म्हाज्या चेडवाची जर मिस्टेक कितें जर आसलेली न्हू जाल्यार तेंच्यांनी म्हाका एक बरेपणान जें कितें जाता न्हू तें तेंच्यांनी म्हाका येवन सांगपाक जाय आसलेलें. कितें बाबा तुजें चेडूं अशें करता तशें करता तेन्ना तूं यो गे आनी कितें तें सांग नाजाल्यार तुज्या चेडवाक तूं व्हर अशें पासून तेंच्यांनी म्हाका सांगूंक ना.
After preliminary inquiry by Mapsa police, now the investigation has been handed over to the Deputy Collector of Bardez. But even after 2 days, the probe has failed to pinpoint anybody for Vidhi's death.
The inquiry is in progress. The deceased lady had left the note before committing or committing before death. The parents, that is more particularly the mother, making the allegations against the husband of that Nidhi. We are conducting the inquiry.
Meanwhile, in the case of dowry victim Veda, Panji police has asked the victim's family to produce proof of dowry given to the accused husband Pramod K. So far, victim side has failed to produce any solid proof regarding alleged dowry given to accused husband. Panji police feel that as of now they require custodial interrogation of the accused. Reporters Mukesh Kumar and Shamsundar Fateh for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.